What's up, Internet? Matt down here at Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams. I just wanted to touch on something here at the store. Is why do we have the best and cheapest used vehicle diesel inventory in particular? Is we're actually Alberta's #1 Cummins distributor. We are selling lots of new, lots of discounts in return. We are getting tons of diesel trades. Not only do we have Fords, GM, and Dodges, so lots to choose from. We do an analysis across Alberta average. So basically what that means is we usually take the industry market and advertise $2,000 or $3,000 less. Once again, reason being is we are the #1 volume Cummins dealer in the province. We got about 72 in stock. Like I said, different years all the way from like 2016 to 2025. I even have used vehicles with 100 kilometers on them. As crazy as that sounds, as there was some leftover 25s left at the factory, and we were able to buy those for a heavily discount. In return, once again, advertising them to the consumer, which is yourself, at a lesser price. Guys, any questions? 780-942-3629.